Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm just going to talk about working with a similar color of yarn that we have. I've been crocheting this poncho. I do have the tutorial. I will pin it. Unfortunately, I found another skein of this yarn that I found. I only had 4. So I found the 5th one in my stash. I'm so happy. But still, because due to the stitch, it's using up lots of yarn. What I've been doing is I've been going through my stash and I've been adding similar colors that I see. Can you see this? This color fits this. And what I did is I did the border with this, just want to show you. With this yarn. This one has cotton mohair in it. And this yarn right here, it's one of the turquoise that's in the yarn. So what I've been doing is I've been picking up colors, and I found brown. If you look at it closely, there is brown as well. I really love this colorway. It has all the colors that you can imagine. I'm trying to stay away with the white because it will stand out. There are white, as you can see, beige or white. So what I've been doing is I picked up this and I did one row of this color. And there's brown as well. I did one row and I can't even see it, believe it or not. It's really hard to see because it just, here it is, here. Can you see? I did one row of the brown. So what I just noticed that there was a knot on the skein. So what I did is I just cut it. And I went through my stash and I found this cotton mohair. And this fits perfectly with the orange color in the yarn. So what I did is I made a knot. Just cut the yarn. That's what I did. Let me just show you. And I made a knot. Can you see? It's very short. So I made a knot just like this. So 4 skein is not enough. And I found another skein. Still, it's not enough. So I'm going to knit, I don't know. Here I knitted about 4 rows. Try to knit another 4 rows. So adding 4 rows here, 1 row of the brown, 1 row of the turquoise, so that's 6. And if I knit 4 rows, that would be total of 10 rows. So that is equal to the skein, because I can knit up to 10 rows of this yarn. So that would add 5 skeins, 6 skein of yarn that I will be knitting. And I'm gonna still do the border. And I have while I was just crocheting this, just something came up to my mind. So I'm gonna do a new tutorial, a new border. It's going to be like the shell, but I'm going to make picots on each and totally change the look. So I will do the tutorial just to give you an idea. You can, you know, you don't have to keep on doing the same border. You can play around with it. So I'm going to move this knot right here as tight as I can, and I will hold it like this. And then what I'll do is I'm going to weave it as I go. So there's 1 chain, and on the next chain, I'm going to make a single crochet as fast as I can, and still hold it tight. Pull this, and then voila, continue crocheting. So 1 chain and go to the next. See? You can't even see the difference. It matches automatically the orange colors that's in the skein. So that's what I've been up to. I don't know, I might knit another row of the green because it just blends in, right? You can't even, it's just blends into when you look at it. It's so colorful. I can even find a darker green. Maybe crochet. I'm just thinking. I don't have any dark like this color green in acrylic. It has to be acrylic. Well, this one is cotton, but the mohair is just blends in easily. And then that's what I'm doing. Just crocheting just like this. So you can get away with this if you don't have enough yarn, and especially if you're working with variegated yarn. Just try. See, it just blends in. I can even go another row after this. You know, I don't have to do 4 rows. I can do another row of the burgundy and even a 1 row of the brown that I have crocheted right here, and then play around with it. 4 rows, I think it's going to be too much because I did 4 rows here and it just gives a line. Yeah, I might do, I don't know, 1 row of this and 1 row of the burgundy, and then attach the rest of the skein and finish it up. Yeah. So I'm just following it naturally with the colors that's in the yarn, in the skein, in the color. See, burgundy. Even there's like a chocolate color here. Oh, so I just wanted to share you this. You can play around with it if you don't have enough yarn. But again, it has to be the same weight. The brown was a little bit thin. I think it was a 1 weight, so I did 2 strands to match this yarn to give the same look. So again, you can play around and then create one of a kind, one of your own projects. 1, 2 chain. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share, and that's all. I will let you guys go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. And share my videos and tutorials on social media. I would really appreciate it. Sometimes I even forget to share when I make a video. But if you share in groups, this way people can get a new idea, about this. A lot of people don't know. They stick with the same yarn, and if they can't find it, they just put it aside. But you can play around with the same colors and then finish the project instead of sitting there. See, it's not even noticeable, even 1 row. So yeah, I'm not going to do 4 row. I changed my mind. I'll just do 1 row, and I'll come back with the burgundy and then make 1 row, and then I will attach the yarn and I will go on from there. Yeah. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.